gentlemen, today is a beautiful day. It's 22nd of July 2018 here in the United Kingdom. Right now is 4:54 p.m. The day is about to wind up. The kids have to go to sleep right now. Anyways, let's crack on to our trading. Guys, remember this is for education purpose. It's not signal providing service. So take risk on your own. Is no trading signal providing service. Now today I'll just crack on with the technical analysis just to save your time and try to just jump and trying to integrate my fundamental analysis while I'm talking about the technical analysis. So let's crack on. I'll start talking about the dollar index. The dollar index is such a good measure for Forex forecasting because it gives you that perspective and the bias on the market movement. Starting with the dollar currency index, we're going to look at the performance of the dollar for this past week. We have seen a major retest here on 95.03 level, where the market tends to retrace back to 94 price over there. Now, what do I expect for this coming week? I expect a further downfall towards this level here of 94 and a further upward momentum movement. So this is a critical area for me, and I am waiting for that level to be hit for this coming week. And why I'm waiting for that level is basically price action. The price action allows me and gives me that confidence that this level is the right level to wait for the retracement. Alright. Moving on. I'm gonna just highlight a little bit about oil. I had a wrong prediction on the market last 2 weeks, because I expected to go up, but the market hasn't respected that and it went down. So this happens in the market, but the good thing, if you had risk reward settled down well, probably risk reward of 1 to 2 ratio, you get out of the market when the market goes against you. Now, how do I see for this coming week? I see coming back to this level here of 65.72 and looking for any bullish pattern upward movement. And why is that? Is simply because of this strong upward price action plus this significant level support level 65.95, and we're gonna see a further upward. Probably there might be a retest in between here, but this will be a good point to buy. Alright, moving on to GBPUSD. GBPUSD, such a lovely market. For the past 2 weeks I predicted that the price from 1.309 would reverse back to 1.33, and that's a good thing about understanding the price action, because you get to see how the market respects the resistance level. At the same time, it gives an ease of trading, because there are so many technicals there. People use, I don't know, Elliott wave and stuff like that. For me, I don't see they work. What works for me is just price action and the way I see the market goes. Now the market retraced here at 1.32 and went further down. This was a further retest. If you bought here, good for you. So if you short GBPUSD the past 2 weeks, good for you. Look at that down movement, so beautiful right there. What do I see for this coming week? I see a further another retest, and then a further sorry guys, let me just reload. So yeah, I see. Okay, this is how I see it. Come on. Okay, as this line is parallel to this one, that's important. It's one of those old techniques of how to look at the prices. I mean the price reverses of these short ranges. Now I expect the price to come back here at this level of this 1.32290 and further downward trend to our target around roughly at 1.29729. all right, let's crack on. Let's crack on. USD Japanese yen, as I spoke before, as I highlighted earlier. Remember the dollar index. The dollar index shows further there are a lot of short there's a bit of short selling there, and that reflects on the US dollar Japanese yen. You see a massive downward trend. I see a massive falling prices here. So what do I expect for this coming week? I expect a retest here and further upward continuation on the price. This key level here is so important because you see the price broke through here in the previous weeks. Plus it doesn't act like resistance yet, but it will be a great thing to look at for this coming week. So I will be patient, wait for this area to be hit and see where the market goes. If it doesn't be hit, I see this as another strong support level here where the market is gonna come and respect. You can use a Fibonacci here to test the retest here and level for retest, and take advantage of the tool and be precise on your entry for the next coming week. Furthermore. Right. A few weeks back, I said this market is gonna come to this level for 1.1822. It came back here to retest to this level, continue with the price action, and I expect it to come back here again, but it created another low down here, and the market is trying to hit that the new resistance level. So what do I see for this coming week? With the US dollar weakness plus the Donald Trump interest rate comments, I see this market to come up here more to try to test this 1.1817 and a further downward trend for the coming week. Yes, Euro Japanese yen, one of my favorite pair. I love this pair. It's so dependable, so nice, so beautiful. I trade this pair and it has never let me down. Unlike pairs like Aussie dollar, I hate that pair. So what do I see for the coming week? I see, okay, this is a further long downward trend in the market. So the price action has broken this level here, and remember last time I said that the price is gonna come here, try to test a bit of several levels. One of the levels is this one at 130, but it broke and went more strong to 131.500. Now the price now is time to retrace back, follow the previous price action, downward price action. And it's important that to realize that this market has two sides. You can either trade it, let me just remove some. You can either the way I see, you can either short it, judging from the beginning of the year, and the market has already given you the confidence of entry, or wait for retest here and buy for further upward continuation. Yes, so that's it, guys. I'm so excited with my trading progress so far since I started this. Since I started again last it's almost a year and a half right now, and it's been a really good roller coaster journey, and I can't explain how humbled I am to be here where I am today because of trading. and I just want to tell you guys, just take it serious, invest your time on this, not invest your money but invest your time. Learn. Now if you want to learn more, I'm starting learning programs nowadays. You can see from the beginning of the advert, the beginning of the video, I just posted there an advert there, and I'll give for you guys to learn. Now if you want to learn, it depends. Some will have to pay, some we don't have to pay, but generally speaking, it's almost for free. I'm going to conduct free webinars for you guys, and you guys have to learn, play your part, respect the opportunity, because I'm kind of person who got really annoyed when someone doesn't respect someone else's hustle and for your benefit. So yeah, just try to be out there and learn. Thank you so much, guys, and peace.